Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Moto X40 and let me share with you how to enable the night light or eye comfort mode. So first of all, I'll show you a shortcut for it so you can fastly turn it on or off, and later on I'll show you how to customize this mode. So if you want to find the night mode, you have to unroll the top bar fully in order to find the night light icon. As you can see right now it is off, but you simply have to turn it on, tap on it to turn it on. You can turn it off the same way also. If you want to customize it, then simply enter the settings. Right here we have to tap on the display and find the night light, which is right here. Let me enter it, and first of all we have to turn it on. And as you can see here, we've got the intensity of that feature. Basically, you can see that the screen turns a little bit yellowish or amber, and it is in order to filter the blue light. What is more, it will be much easier for you to look at the screen at the dim light. So the light from the screen will not be that sharp, and your eyes will not be that tired. So here we can change the intensity of that yellowness. By going to the left we can make it cooler, and by going to the right much warmer, so it's more orangish than yellowish. You can also schedule that feature if you want to. You can turn it on at custom time, so simply pick the start and the end time, or from sunset to sunrise, and I believe those sunsets and sunrises are based on the location. So it's of course up to you. If you will keep the option none, it simply means that you will have to turn on and off the night light manually. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to manage the eye comfort mode or the night light in your Motorola Moto X40. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.